Okay, so tingnan nyo ito yung Asus na ito. Itong Asus na laptop na ito is running an SSD setup. This is Kingston brand, if I'm not mistaken. Tingnan naman ng read and write speed niya. Ang kanyang sequential read speed ay pumapalo sa 96 megabytes per second. At ang kanyang write speed naman ay 426.76. Iba pa ang sequential read niya sa baba, which is 443.26, 382 megabytes per second, at yung iba pang mga details niya. Now, this laptop is running Pentium processor, and this is a little slow noon, pero nung nalagyan niya ng SSD, it's very responsive. Kung makikita po ninyo, the moment I press the button here, the laptop is now responding immediately. After you click an app, the app will now open, given na itong laptop na ito is only Pentium. This is only using Pentium processor. Okay, so now ang ganyang klase ng read and write speed ay napakabilis na po. Now, kumpara natin sa laptop na ito. This is Dell Core i3. It's running Core i3 processor with a hard disk which is 500 gigabytes. This is running a hard disk and it's not running an SSD. At tingnan nyo naman yung read and write speed niya, wala pang ang 100 megabytes per second. So, wag na kayo magtataka kung bakit yung mga laptop ninyo, kahit gaano ka-powerful yung processor nila, pag naka-hard disk kayo, napakabagal po talaga. Okay? So, if I were you, kung speed lang pong habol ninyo, is I recommend na i-upgrade ninyo yung hard disk o yung storage ng laptop nyo from a hard disk to an SSD.